So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp web on your laptop or PC in 2026. And how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is, on your browser you just have to type WhatsApp web and then click on the first link. Here what you need to do is open your phone and then open the camera of it, and then just what you need to do is scan this QR code from your phone's camera, and a pop-up will appear in your phone, and you just have to accept the agreement and it will completely log into your WhatsApp account in your PC. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.